Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the web push notifications and fake human verification alerts coming from the site vanadvstar.com. This site vanadvstar.com is totally faulty and of course extremely deceptive. It claims that you need to click on Allow, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But it's a mistake to click on Allow because this would hijack the browser right away. If you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, you should urgently fix your browser. Go to the menu, then Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So remove these malicious sites if you find them on the list. To make sure that the system is free of other possibly hidden threats, I do recommend that you carefully investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.